Alright, so I'm not big on using Trello, but I'm going to show you how to set up Trello for your own board. So what I would do, what I do, is I would make a board and I call it my 2019 board. That was cool. Create board. And then I have like, I don't know, to-do list. I have November 2019, December 2019, January 2020, clients, and completed. Great. So let's say this is just the study plan part. So I like having this top board, this main board, because I can see everything that's going on as far as like ideas I have, which going to do. So like, let's say like I want to like write a blog post next week, right? I don't have that like fleshed out, but like I put it in here so I can get it off my mind and free up space. And let's say this month you want to do the social media marketing specialization from the Coursera. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to say complete date, right? So that's a card. If you want to be super organized, you can link it. Description. I don't know, in case you want to like refer back to it or something. You know, just I like having little details and shit there. You're gonna make a checklist, right? Courses to complete. Oh wait. Sorry, I don't use Trello. Okay, courses. So we're gonna say what is social, right? That should be the course name. And we'll call it course number 1. What is social? I'm gonna open that up. I'm gonna go to syllabus. Introduction to social marketing. Boom. First course. Social trend. Oops, no, alright, whatever. Since you want to play the business of social. This actually sounds like a fun specialization to do. Okay, so there's 4 courses to complete in there. In that first one. Alrighty. I don't know due date. And then you want to give yourself like a month to do this. Okay. So the thing that I like better about Asana is that I can, let me show you. Hold on. Let me open up my board. Okay. So this is my 2019 board, and ignore that title, that was something else. But these are just like ideas and stuff that I have. What's going on in November, this is client work stuff, November and December, right? And so my main goal is to study for the Solutions Architect Associate. And because I'm on paid, I can do a start and end date. If you're on free, you can just do an end date, right? So I open it up and like I kind of just laid out like what I need to do to get this done. Oh crap, that should still be running. And then these are the 3 courses I need to take in order to study, right? And then I also need to take practice tests until I score, let's say, I want a 90. Schedule exam. Take exam and pass. Update website, LinkedIn, and resume with new certification. Right? Okay. So, whatever. Anyway. So this course, AWS Essentials, I go in and I open it up. And I scheduled pretty much everything I need to do. So like today, these are the lessons I need to go through today to stay on track to finish this course on the 13th, right? So here you can see I I was working on this the 20th to the 21st, and now November 1st to the 13th, I'm doing this. And then November 11th to December 5th, I'm doing this. I need to push that out though because I have my stuff. And so individually, I can give these things due dates, which you can do in the free tier. In Trello, again, I don't use it, so I don't think you can do the same thing, right? A workaround is you just change this to right, and then this first card can be okay, cool. This is the new link. And then you would just make a new checklist, or the checklist would have the lessons. And then you put the lessons under here, right? So, whatever. Oops. And you can do this like week number 1 or lesson number 1 if you're going to crank it out faster, right? So this is week number 4. And so now you know, okay, I don't really go by week, but if you're a parent, I would say, and you're working full time, I would follow the weeks. But if not, if you like just have a job and no kids and like, no relationship or anything, like you can knock this shit out in a couple days. So I usually dedicate like 1 hour equals 1 day for me, right? So this would take 2 days, 1 day, 3 days, and 2 days, right? So like a little over a week, right? Yeah, a little over a week. So you can just give yourself a week to do this. So this is when you need to be done with this course. And then you do course number 2. The importance of listening. All right. And again, put the lessons. And then from here, big data. So week number 1, big data. Week number 2, big information. Week number 3, big insights. Whatever, right? So what, 4 weeks? So again, like, these are just a couple of hours, and it's not going to take you this long to complete it. You're going to watch the videos on 2 times speed, and you are going to, I don't know what I was going to say. But yeah, anyway, that is how I would set this up in Trello. So, I will share this board also with this link, if I can figure out how the hell to do that.